Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're doing well, and warm welcome to my presentation. My name is Sachin Shrestha, and I'll be today presenting firewalls in a network security. This topic is covered in a week five of our network security course, and firewall are the most fundamental tools in any network security setups, and I want to walk you through what they are and how they are in the real world and why they matter, especially from my own personal security environment. So, moving to the next slide, what is firewall? So, what exactly is firewall is, in simple terms, a firewall is a security system that monitors and control all the traffic coming in and going out of the network based on the set of the rules set by the administrator. The easiest way to think about is like a security guard at the entrance of a building. They check everyone who walks and decide who is allowed through and who gets turned away. Firewalls can be hardware devices, software programs, and combination of both. Their main job is to sit between a trusted internal network, like your company's local area network, and an untrusted external network like an intranet. There are few different types worth knowing. Stateless packet filtering check each packet on its own against rule. Stateful packet filtering is a smarter. It tracks the state of entire connection before making any decision. And application-aware firewalls go even deeper, inspecting traffic at application level like HTTP, FTP, and ultimately the firewall's rules is simple. Allow a legitimate traffic and block anything it could be harmful to the system itself. And moving to our next slide, which will be talking the real world example. Now, let me bring this to a life with the real world example. Imagine a large corporate bank that runs an online banking portals for its customer, available 24/7, which means 24 hours a day or 7 days a week. The bank places on a network firewalls between the public internet and the and its internal servers. The firewalls is configured with very strict rules. It only allows HTTP traffics on the port 443 from the public and blocks everything else by default. On top of that, they also have a web application firewall or WAF sitting in front of the web server. This WAF inspect every HTTP request coming in, looking for like SQL injection attempts or cross-site scripting attacks. The results: unauthorized access to our internal database is blocked. Port, port scanning attempts from external attackers are stopped. Suspicious packets are dropped before they even reach the application. And moving to the slide 4. So everything has a pros and cons. So what could go wrong? This is what we'll be talking in this slide for. So what happens if firewall is not properly implemented? There are three main risks I want to highlight. First, unauthorized access. Without a firewall, any device on the internet can attempt to connect directly to your internal systems. Attackers can scan for the open ports and exploit them to access servers, database, or even individual workstation. And second one is malware spreading freely. If there is no barrier in place, malware like ransomware can move across a network completely undetected without filtering. Ineffective traffic passes through and can spread to every connected devices. And third, data breaches and compliance feature without a firewall sensitive like customer records or financial information can be stolen. My personal security landscape, which we'll be talking in the slide 5. At home, my network includes a laptop, mobile devices, and home lab with the multiple virtual machines which I run security tools including a Wazoo SIM. My home router already acts as a basic NAT firewall by default, and it blocks unsolicited inbound connection from the internet, which is good first layer of the protection. For my Wazoo home lab especially, I use hosted based firewalls, in particularly on my Linux VMs to control exactly which ports of the Wazoo agent use when communicating with the Wazoo manager. If I don't have those rules in place, the manager port, which is 1514 and 1515, could be exposed. One thing this topic has really enforced for me is that misconfigured firewall rule like setting it to allow all can be just as dangerous as having no firewall at all. Going forward, I plan to add more granular inbound and outbound rules on my VMs and use a network segmentation to properly separate my lab traffic from my personal devices. And to conclude this presentation, firewalls are the foundation control in any network and security strategy. They filter traffic based on predefined rules and help keep untrusted networks separately from trusted one. Poor configuration is just dangerous as having no firewall at all. And we saw this in real world live banking example. And from the personal perspective, Firewall's rules plays a direct role in protecting my home lab and yes, IEM environment right now. So thank you for your time and thank you for listening. And I'm happy to answer any question in the comment down below. Make sure to comment it and I'll get in touch to reply those comments. Thank you.